Hey, good morning, everybody. This morning we're going to make a fried egg and cheese sandwich. Something simple, quick, easy, something the whole family can kind of enjoy. Something that, for these school mornings, makes it really easy to just kind of throw something together and so the kids can get on their way to school. Now, the easiest way to do this here is we're just going to put about 1 tablespoon of butter into the pan. We're going to try and make sure that that kind of coats everything here. Super quick, super easy. Something the kids will love. Actually, the whole family, honestly. I mean, let's go ahead and do that. That over there. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to immediately just go ahead and throw my cheese on there. Turn my pan just a little bit. All right, now, as far as the eggs go, let's go ahead and crack those open. Now, I'm just gonna kind of tap it in there. Oh yeah. Now, depending on how you like your eggs, I mean, you can go over easy, kind of like this, where you still get a lot of that juice. You can break it like I just did and go a little bit more over hard. Now, I'm just going to go over hard because I'm making this for the kiddo and she doesn't like runny eggs. There we go. All right, let's just let that sit for a minute. All right, now while all that's going on, let's try to check on our toast. Let's see here. All right, toast is doing good. Try and get that egg off there. All right, there we go. Now, usually you can do this in, separately. I'm kind of in a rush this morning, got things to do. So, like most people during this whole, stay-at-home, homeschooling kind of thing, just kind of trying to get by and do the best we can with what we got. So, let's go ahead and turn that around. There we go. A little bit more like that. I'm just going to let those eggs cook up. And I've got my heat set pretty low. I'm sitting at about a 4. So let's just kind of keep that right there. Perfect. Now, let's see here. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and pull that bread. I know that cheese isn't quite melty. I'm going to set that one over to the side. Now, to make this a little bit easier, let's separate the eggs. And like I said, you're just doing this on a real low heat, so okay, let's go ahead and get that a little bit more flippy. There we go. And like I said before, this is for people who just kind of need something quick and easy for the kids. It's simple. It doesn't take very long. I mean, we've been at this, minute and a half, 2 minutes? Can't quite tell. All right, 3.5 minutes, almost 4. So, getting a little long on the tooth. Go ahead and flip that over one more time. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just lay that right in there. Okay, there we go. I wanted to add those eggs on top of the cheese because I want that cheese to get really melty. It's a thicker cheese, so it does take a little bit more time to melt. But you do want that nice melty consistency, Cut off a little excess there. As you can tell, that crust is just a nice golden brown there. Let's go ahead and flip that over one time. It's kind of a two-handed thing there. All right. So there you have it. That is your fried egg sandwich. Let's go ahead and get this cut, serve it up. All right, look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and get that a little cutty. Just like that. Oh man, look at that cheese. So much cheese. So you can kind of see here. Let's take a look. Now this is what I mean by melty cheese. Oh, look at that gooey goodness. Nummy. So good. Anyways, all right. So that's fried egg and cheese sandwich. Have a great day. Enjoy your breakfast.